In the heart of the countryside, where golden barley once danced with the wind, disaster strikes. A sudden spark. And within moments, flames begin to rise. The dry field turns into a sea of fire, crackling and roaring under the blazing sun. But right in the middle of the chaos, a machine refuses to stop. The combine harvester moves forward steady, fearless. While fire creeps closer, it continues its mission, cutting, collecting, saving what it can. Smoke fills the air. The heat is intense. Every second matters. This isn't just a machine. It's a race against time. A battle between destruction and survival. Farmers watch from a distance, hearts pounding, hoping the harvester can rescue their hard-earned crop before it's too late. In moments like these, you realize farming isn't